Okay, so this is wild and literally escalating as I'm talking about it. There's a weapon expo happening right now in Sydney, and protesters just got pepper sprayed, trying to block it. 10 people arrested so far. That number just went up, and police are saying anyone else who breaches the peace is getting arrested too. And here's the kicker. The New South Wales government is sponsoring this whole thing. So here's what went down. Around 6:30 this morning, pro-Palestine protesters show up at Darling Harbour to blockade this Indo-Pacific Maritime Exposition, basically a three-day event where weapons manufacturers like BAE System meet with the Royal Australian Navy, universities, companies like KPMG. According to Sky News, when protesters tried to march to the convention center, police hit them with pepper spray and used horses to put them down. Now, police just put out a statement saying, quote, the safety and security of delegates and the wider community is paramount, and the keeping officer there's to work with protester. But honestly, work with is doing some heavy lifting when 10 people are already in custody. The organizer, George Lees, said they were peacefully assembling and got attacked. He's literally blaming Premier Chris Means directly because the state government is sponsoring this through Investment New South Wales. But here's where it gets really messy. Last week, the city of Sydney voted to condemn this expo. A councillor said the sponsors profit from the misery and suffering from conflict and war. They asked the Premier to stop hosting these events in Sydney. And he just ignored it. So yeah, you got the city council voting no, you got the hundreds of protesters getting pepper sprayed, 10 arrests and counting, and the state government's name is all over the sponsorship. The expo runs for 3 more days, and police confirm they're staying put. That's what's happening in Sydney right now.